Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I have my daughter with me today. I'm so excited. She is going to show me how to make overnight oats. Overnight oats. Now these seem to be like a craze or something. They're just like everywhere. I keep seeing overnight oats and she's been making them. I have never made them before, so she's going to show me how to do it. I'm excited. I'm excited. All right, so we're going to switch places and she is going to show how to do it. So if you happen to be new to my channel, I am Chef Christy and I share delicious recipes each and every week. So you might want to consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. So we've got to trade places and Sierra is going to show me how to make these overnight oats.
Okay, so I have been trying to eat healthy, as you know.
Yes.
Which is very difficult for me because I really like food of all kinds, but
I don't know where you get that.
But anyway, so I was at work one day and my friend Kim was telling me about how she makes these overnight oats, and you know, she was telling me about how she like eats them every day and she loves them. They're really good breakfast food that's healthy. So I told her I needed the recipe. Like, I want to make these because I never tried overnight oats, but I love oatmeal, so I've always wanted to try them. And so she wrote down the recipe for me, and it's only 4 ingredients, which is like amazing.
Super easy.
Super easy.
Yeah.
So anyway, my ingredients are obviously banana. That's easy. And then
that is what makes it sweet.
Yes.
And that's what I like because there's no like added sugar. It's just the banana is what makes it sweet.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's oats. I prefer like old-fashioned oats, but you can use the like 5-minute oats or minute oats or whatever. It doesn't really matter. But I like the old-fashioned kind. And then it is peanut butter powder. So this is peanut butter powder with cocoa. You can get this at Kroger or Walmart. You said that Aldi had it.
Yeah, Aldi sometimes will carry it.
But I got this at Kroger, I believe. They also make it without cocoa. So you can just get peanut butter if you don't want it to be chocolatey. I just like it chocolatey.
Peanut butter and chocolate.
Yes.
And banana. Peanut butter and banana is my favorite combo. Anyway,
that's like Elvis.
Yeah.
Elvis. So, and then almond milk is the 4th ingredient. You can use any kind of milk you want. It doesn't have to be almond milk if you don't like it. I like it. Mom likes it. And it's lower calories if you get the unsweetened, which I like the unsweetened better, personally.
I have that on my cereal every day.
Yeah, me too. So, anyway, that's the ingredients. Super easy, 4 ingredients. Can't go wrong.
Okay, so now let's show how to put it together.
All right, so first we're going to peel our banana. Then you're going to mash it up. So I like mine really mashed. I like it more smoother than chunky, but I mean, if you like it to be like more chunkier, then you know, you can leave it that way. I like it more like smoother. Yeah. All right, so next we're going to add the oats, and it's 1/3 cup of oats. So you're gonna add that to your banana, and then I don't stir yet. I also put my almond milk in next. So this is 1/2 cup of almond milk or milk, whichever you want to do, and then you're just gonna kind of whisk it together, I would say, because it doesn't stir great. So you gotta kind of work it in there. Okay. And then the last thing you do is just add the peanut butter powder. And then you're gonna whisk that together. And it's gonna be thin. It's not gonna be like a thick mixture until it sets in the fridge overnight. Because you know that's when the oats absorb all the almond milk. Okay. So we're just gonna stir it up real good.
Okay.
Make sure that all that peanut butter powder is mixed in, and then if you see any more like chunky banana, try to mix that up too, because sometimes it just pops up like out of nowhere.
Okay.
So, yeah.
All right. So next we're just gonna put it in our jars.
Yes. Next, we just put it in the jar.
Which you can put it in anything.
Anything.
Any kind of
Like
container.
I usually put it in plastic containers. And if you're big meal preppers, like for the week, this is really great because it's good for days. So I will make like 2 or 3 for the week. I mean, I don't eat it every day, but when I do eat it, I'll put it in little Pyrex glass containers that have the lid, and then put it in my fridge, and I just take it out like every morning. It's really, really easy. So I love that about
That's a
this.
fast grab and go
Yeah.
breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Grab your oatmeal, a spoon, and you eat it on the way to work.
Yeah. It's good.
All right.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this mix into these jars. So I'm just gonna use a spoon and just start spooning them in.
Okay.
I'm just gonna try to divide this up evenly between the two. Okay.
It's all right. We can clean up the mess.
Well, you know, try not to make a mess, but
They once that oats absorbs all the liquid, they kind of expand. Yeah.
yeah, it'll get thicker too. Like once they sit, like when you get it out of the fridge tomorrow, it'll be like totally different. Okay, so I'm gonna put the lid on these jars, and then
Then you just put this in your refrigerator.
you just put it in your fridge. Like I said, you can keep it there like probably for a week, and it's easy to grab, you know, on the go, or even on a Saturday if you don't feel like making breakfast. Then you have your overnight oats in the fridge, and then you're good to go.
Okay.
Yeah, not too bad.
All right, so Sierra made these last night and brought them over, and then I had to add, I can't help it, I had to add just a little dollop of strawberry preserves on top because I just thought that sounded like that would be really good, like kind of like a peanut butter and jelly
it does sound good.
thing there. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna try this. I'm gonna try this and see.
Right, here we
think.
go.
I'm excited.
I'm excited for you.
Wow.
The strawberry is really good.
I've never had these overnight oats. They're really good. It almost tastes like a pudding, like a pudding texture, and it's like a dessert.
Yeah.
You know what else I would like in here? I think some nuts would be good. I would just like the crunch, I think. I think that would be good. And you know what else? I think you could put some chia seeds in here as well. And they would absorb, and then they would add more protein. Yeah.
That's a good idea. Really good idea.
I'm definitely going to be trying this again. I'm going to be making this again. This is delicious. You all have really got to try this. So thanks so much for watching. I've had a really good time having Sierra show me how to make overnight oats. That was fun. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes. We need bloopers? Okay. All right. So you ready? All right, let's hit this thing. Okay, get it. Oh, I'm not ready. Okay, here we go. Okay. Yeah, I think so. I don't know how to stand. I feel awkward over here. Okay.
Are we still rolling?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's okay then. Hold on, let me check. Yep. Okay.
I was at work. No. Scratch that.
Scratch that.
Take like 20.
Tell me about these.